Welcome to Highspeed Tastebuds. It is your boy T.O. Today, I'm gonna be doing an audio test. The last time I rode, the audio wasn't sounding the greatest. I'm doing it with NOJ Quiet Rider helmet, chin guard, something like that. I'll pop it up on the screen, but this is my 2005 Yamaha R1. We're gonna go ahead and get the, it's not really a cold start, but we're gonna get the engine going a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop on the bike. I got the regular chin guard on right now, and then I'm gonna go down the highway, come back, replace it with the NOJ Quiet Rider helmet chin guard, and then do it again to see if my audio is better. Probably have to let me know. I won't know until after I post it. It's a good alternative for anybody that want to do videos, and you know, it's a less expensive alternative than just changing out the helmet itself. It was only about $30, and just let me know down in the comments how it went, if it did make a difference. I'm gonna try to say the same thing each time, like mic check 1 2 3 at different speeds, just to see how different the audio sounds. Because right now it's just my regular chin guard, and even with that, in my last video it had came out a little bit, so I just want to be able to have better audio, because typically when I get around like 60 miles an hour it sounds terrible. There's a lot of crackling and whatnot, so I'm gonna probably just get up to like 100 and do the mic test. Hopefully not though, but this is already 25. Mic check 1 2 3. 40. Mic check 1 2 3. 50. Mic check 1 2 3. So much less wind coming through already. Again, this is with it off. This is just with the regular chin guard that I have on now. Again, it's just for those that's trying to get some better audio with as they are making their videos. This is 80. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. 60. Mic check 1 2 3. Might not be able to hit the same speed on this go round right here. 70. 1 2 3. 80. Mic check 1 2 3. So I still got the same amount of noise coming through, but I don't know if it's the same amount of wind. So mic check 1 2 3. Hopefully you can't hear me. I said I won't know really until I won't know until I post it. So just a short little pull each way. Mic test 1 2 3. This is at 70 miles an hour. Mic test 1 2 3. And again, I just got a lot of wind noise coming from underneath my chin, coming up to the inside of the helmet. So I'm gonna just go back to the same spot that I was at and put in the NOJ Quiet Rider helmet. If it's the same amount of wind. So mic check 1 2 3. Woo! You hear them taps? Let's go. I love that. Just to keep the same kind of video going, I'm gonna wrap back around. I really ain't gotta go that way. I could go a different way, but I'm gonna wrap back around to keep that same style video going. And this is 70 again, mic check 1 2 3. 80, mic check 1 2 3. mic check, 1, 2, 3. So, like I said, inside of the helmet, it definitely doesn't sound any different to me. It feels different, but it doesn't sound different. I don't feel as much wind coming through. And for anybody in the comment, chin guard. Let's see if that make it any better. I got it off of Amazon. It was only like 30 bucks. Typically that's a much better expense than, you know, trying to fork out hundreds of dollars for a helmet. At least just to try to get the audio good for a little bit. But I do still plan on getting a different helmet. That's 85 mic test, 1, 2, 3, mic test, 1, 2, 3. And I really don't even gotta get on the highway for this portion of it. But I got a lot of wind coming in right now, so I highly doubt that you can hear me. And again, I'm gonna try the same exact thing. Once I got the wings, the chin guard in there. This is at 85. Just to keep the same kind of video going, I'm gonna wrap back around. This is 70 again, mic check, 1, 2, 3. 80, mic check, 1, 2, 3. 90, mic check, 1, 2, 3. So, like I said, inside of the helmet, it definitely doesn't sound any different to me. It feels different, but it doesn't sound different. I don't feel as much wind coming through. This is just like an inexpensive fix just to try to help out with some of that audio as you are building your channel or making your YouTube videos and things like that, and you just want people to be able to hear you when you actually are talking. So I'll hit this same little area. That's 80. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. That's 90. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. While I was editing the video itself, I came across a different video with a different setup. This should sound better than both of those things that I had. To kind of explain the kind of helmet that the kind of microphone that I went with is actually really simple. I had the DeWise lavalier mic, like an omnidirectional mic or whatever. With that mic, it picked up a lot of crackles and pops and all that stuff, I guess from like the wind and all that hitting the helmet as I'm riding. I came across this one dude's video. All I did was I went to Walmart and I got me some $8 Sony headphones or earbuds, cut off the earbuds and just made sure it had a microphone on it. With having the microphone on it, all you do is plug it into your GoPro. That he put tape on his to kind of cover up the microphone a little bit. I put a dead cat on mine, plugged it in, and the audio should be a lot better. In his video, he was stating that you really don't even have to have any in-post audio like changes. Like, he didn't mess up the audio at all. He was going 80 miles an hour and he could talk to you like I'm talking right now at 80. So now the wind is picking up a little bit. I'm at 50. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. The wind is picking a little bit more as I'm going down. It's a 65. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. This is 90. Not sure how good it's doing at 90, but this is 90. Give it a little bit more. What was that? Okay, give it a little bit more. This is 90. That's 100. So again, I don't know if you can still hear me. Again, he was cruising at this speed on his video, and you can hear like he wasn't even driving at all. So hopefully I'm getting that same type of pickup and that same type of audio from this video and from the way this microphone is set up. And then if that's the case, and it does work, we talking about $8 fix, just any earphones, Skull Candies, JVC, Bose, I picked up Sony's, so whatever can just plug into your, whether it's your media mod or your media mod connector or whatever from GoPro to plug into it. I already had the connector to go from a 4-point to a 3-point, and then it was just an easy connection. So like I said, hopefully this audio is a lot better. I don't know if having the NOJ Quiet Rider helmet guard under my chin as well is going to help this out, but hopefully the mic itself is just doing good and doing everything it needs to do. If you did like this video, make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's free of charge, you know. But it's T.O. with Highspeed Tastebuds. Catch y'all in the next video when I check out this next restaurant.